Romero anyway. Richard Giulietto.
Hey buddy, we just want to know where the money is. We can cut your deal if you want. Yeah. Hey!
You dumbass dirtbag!
It's
Shit,
good
eat for
for
breakfast.
everyone! We don't eat scum. What my partner means to say...
Come on, man. You said I could play the bad cop. Totally undermining me. Told you how this makes me feel.
Okay, but just tone it down a little. You're at 11. Try to add in a little bit of Julie Andrews mixed in with Dirty Harry.
The hills are alive. Like the sound of me kicking your ass! Spoonful of sugar helps my foot go down your throat!
Damn it, Dick! Chill the truck out!
Sorry, can we try it one more time?
Well, we're gonna have to. We don't know where the money is. We don't know how that chemical's gonna happen.
Okay, fine, but how about if I pull out a little bit of...
No! No more acting. You're a bad actor.
Shit.
He did the monster mash. It was a
Bang, my baby shot me down.
Well, that looked like a pain in the neck.
What the fuck, man? Like, did you really have to dive? Or you could have got over there quicker if you just fucking ran. But no, Captain Killer catchphrase had to fucking make his pun before he saved the day. Fuck me.
Thank you would have sufficed. Wait, if he bit you, does that mean you're gonna turn into...
When people get bitten by sharks, do they turn into sharks? That's not how science works. Just get me to the hospital.